Today on PowerNation Daily, a guy that had a case of road rage that went way wrong. Los Angeles drivers tried to avoid a gridlocked highway but ran into a roadblock. The Dodge Demon hit a staggering top speed. The entire highway explodes after a petroleum gas spill, and Ford is ending Focus RS production. That all happens right here, right now on PowerNation Daily. Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to the show today. If you haven't got on social media, we're there, and also on PowerNationTV.com. But let's get with the show because we got a lot to talk about and a little time to get to talking about it, if that makes any sense. Here we go. The first story of the day reminds me of old memories in California, and it appears this is where this took place at. These guys got into a shouting match. The guy gets out of his car and goes behind his car and tells the guy in the SUV what he thinks about him. Meanwhile, the girl in the car is documenting everything on her phone. What seemed like a simple argument turned heated. The guy spit in the other guy's face, and that's when things took a wild turn. The guy was not happy about it, so he tried to run his car over. Unfortunately, he didn't see this happening. When he hit the car, he flipped on his side, and the commentary by the girl is absolutely epic. I died laughing. It was so funny I sent it to my coworkers, then they died laughing, and now it became a story on P&D. You like it? Let us know what you think about it. Los Angeles is known for its traffic, but a handful of drivers who had enough of sitting on the highway decided to take a detour. And unfortunately for them, it didn't end up, well, going in their favor. An NBC Los Angeles traffic helicopter caught the drivers trying to drive through a field of sand, and a lot of them got stuck. Reason number one why you shouldn't have a Prius. I'm not sure if those are all Priuses, but if you had a big truck, you'd probably be okay. But then again, if you had a big truck, you probably wouldn't be living in LA. What do you think about the story? Let us know in the comments your funniest line. We're all ears. The Dodge Challenger Demon is a beast. It has 840 horsepower, get you some of that, and it goes 0 to 60 and get this, 2.3 seconds. That's flat fast. But this car has a little bit more to prove than 0 to 60 because it's also fast on the big end. A group of people took the car to the Johnny Bomer Proving Grounds in Florida, where they hit a top speed of 203 miles per hour. Did the car have a roll cage in it? Who cares? That's still cool. And although those numbers are impressive on its own, Dodge hasn't even released the top speed of the Demon. But for comparison, the Hellcat wide body has a top speed of 199 miles per hour, for what it's worth. You can check out the whole run of the Demon at PowerNationTV.com. Go check it out. So imagine you're driving down the highway when all of a sudden the whole darn thing goes up in flames. That'd be crazy. I'm talking like literally all of it. An expressway in China, well, that's what happened. A truck spilled liquefied petroleum gas and several cars drove over it, which caused a fire. Amazingly, everyone survived and everyone's okay, except this lady, she's kind of traumatized. You can check out the tanker truck on the side of the road, and then the Mazda suddenly burst into flames while other cars throw it in reverse and get the heck out of the way. If you want to see the whole video, check it out at PowerNationTV.com. She was okay though, she's fine. She's a little traumatized. Ford officially is ending the production of the Focus RS. Road and Track reports that with the all-new Focus being launched later this year, the RS production will end on April 6th. After being debuted in 2016, it didn't stick around long. In the last 50, we'll be celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Escort. Remember those? And those are going to be sold in the UK. So US fans, I guess you're out of luck. Probably the reason is because people would just spend the money on a Mustang, but I don't know. I'm not a genius. What do you think? Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, guys. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Be sure to hit us up on social media and let us know what you want to see. See you guys later.